Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas, a very happy holiday, good 3-day weekend. First things first, it is the week between Christmas and New Year's. If there is a week that is going to have compressed ranges, if there is a week that is going to go nowhere when you want it to go somewhere, if there's a week that is going to bore you to death, it is this week. This is the week. Don't overtrade. Don't make your broker a hero. Use this week to get ready for next year. It's a great week to do administrative stuff with regard to your trading business. It's a great week to work on new things. It's a great week to reflect on what you need to work on as a trader. There are a lot of things you can be doing as a trader that have nothing to do with actually trading this week. Okay, but who knows? We may get some volatility. Let's talk about what happens if we do. You can see the last 6 sessions there on the daily chart. We've just kind of drifted back towards the 9-day simple moving average. You can see the green line there, which is the daily mid-band underneath. It's been a slow drift back. What I'm more interested in is what's happening over on the hourly chart. So here's your hourly chart. You can see the new weekly pivot coming in, 26.88. And remember, I'm still on vacation, which is why I'm doing this on my phone and things are bouncing around. So if you need to take a Dramamine, my apologies. You see the 88 here, weekly pivot. This is the daily pivot underneath. So 86 to 88 for me is the band of price today that's going to decide who controls the tape, not only today, but potentially who controls the tape for the week. You can see a sharp move down towards 84, printing 83.75 off the open. Well, not off the open last night, around 8 going on 9 o'clock. You saw a small drift back to the daily pivot, and you see the daily pivot hold. We have traded back down as low as 84 even. So potential matching lows, sure. But what I'm more concerned with is the inability to trade above 86 to 88. It's acting a little bit heavy. If it continues to act heavy, then what you're going to see potentially is a lower low. And if you get a lower low, they can start to deal with some of the other things on this chart, such as the lows from last week down there at 26.79. If you can convert 79 to 80, that opens up the potential to get back in towards the daily pivot. The daily mid-band on the daily chart. See that down there, 26.59. The 9-day simple sits here at about 80.5. So as you look at the hourly chart, you have to deal with, right about here, you got the 9-day simple. That has held the market pretty well. And you can see, slow drift down, daily top potential, lots of lower highs along the way as you drift down towards 79.80. 79.80 was the low from last week. That needs to break if the bears are going to have any kind of a sustainable conversation about downside. If the bulls are in control, then we bounce from there or bounce from here, convert 86 to 88, and start dealing with things like 92 and ultimately 98. They need to get rid of all of this 26.98 resistance. You can see 26.98 has been a real problem. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll try to be back later with a wrap-up. I'm still on vacation. I'll be back full-time at the desk on Friday. Everybody trade them well. Have a good one. And again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.